Going to attempt to make my son's first birthday cake prior to karate lessons, which is in an hour. So what we got right now is cut strawberries, one package, in a pot, and we're gonna put them on the stove and make a strawberry filling. So let's add some sugar to the strawberries. 1/4 cup of sugar into the strawberries. Also, you know, I like to use what we have. I have this leftover cranberry sauce. I made it to put into like a muffin filling a little while ago. So we're gonna add the rest of this jar of cranberry sauce into it too. If you have like a rest of a jar of jam or jelly, that could also do if you wanna just like use up something. While our strawberries are cooking, we're gonna do 1.5 cups of flour into the bowl, about a teaspoon of baking powder, and about a teaspoon of baking soda. Little cinnamon, honey to maybe make it a little bit more complex-ish. Instead of sugar or milk, we're gonna do sweetened condensed milk. Bill said that it'll make it fluffier. We'll see if he's right.
I didn't say fluffier, I said better.
Is there something in my hair? What was in it? What was in that?
Nothing. A little sugar from you.
He's always got something up his sleeve. This was 1/2 cup of butter. And it also went on my shirt, so there's that.
This one?
Vanilla. A splash or two. 1 egg. There's some heavy cream. Start with 1/4 cup. I'm gonna add in another 1/4 cup of milk. How's the strawberry? I love you.
They're good down. I'll turn it down.
Okay. It's still a little, I don't know. What do you think about this thickness? I think it tastes really good. Maybe 1 more egg would loosen it up. More egg. And then I think we're good. Thank you.
Welcome.
Little cake pans. And we have 2, so spray both of them. Half the batter in each into the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. After we put the cake in the oven, I turned off the strawberries and we're just gonna let them cool. Cake's baking, it's got about 10 more minutes. The strawberries are cooling. We're getting started on the frosting. Oops. Of course, cream cheese frosting, because it's superior and we all know it. So 8 ounces of cream cheese, about 1/2 cup of butter, into the microwave for 15 seconds. 3 cups of powdered sugar. That was 1, 2, 3. Splash of vanilla. Just gonna echo a little bit of the flavor of the cake and just do a drizzle of honey so it has a teeny bit of honey flavor. Who wants to lick the mixer?
What'd you mix?
Frosting. There you go. You want to get one for Joy? Cakes are out of the oven. Looking beautiful. Frosting's done. You want to taste some?
Wow.
You like it out. We're gonna put the frosting in the fridge and we'll do decoration after we get back from karate. We're back from karate. kids are eating, so we're gonna find this line and make it flat, because that's what I see other people do. I'm not classically trained.
Water in that cup over there?
Sure. Got her in our little frosting, and we snipped a little hole unevenly. Bottom layer. Get ready for the filling. Our strawberry cranberry filling.
Ninja Kids. I did Ninja Kids.
Good job, Robert. I'm gonna put little lines on the outside, and then I'll use a spatula because I think that would be the easiest thing. I really hope this comes out okay.
Really?
I can make a great cake.
You think so?
Yeah. It is, right?
I hope so.